Guys, 2019 Hyundai Santafe. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the driver seat belt buckle. First thing, we're gonna remove these covers, both sides. We're gonna remove this 14mm bolt, both sides. So then you guys gonna go on the back and you guys gonna do the same thing. Remove this cover, both sides. And remove the two 14mm nut. Okay, so now you guys gonna push the seatbelt up. And we're gonna remove these plugs here. As you can see already disconnected. We're gonna remove these clips and this one here. Then we're gonna need a T50 torque socket, and we're gonna remove this bolt here. So let me do that. Ready to remove it. Now we're gonna put the new part in place. As you can see, already have the new part here. Now we're gonna put it in place. So let me do that. So now we're gonna connect the plug. Already connect the plugs. Now we're gonna put the seat in place. So now we're gonna put the bolts in the back. Then we're gonna go to the front. Now we're gonna put the bolts on the front. So now we're gonna tighten it. After tying the bolts, now you're gonna put the covers back. And that's about about it. That's how to replace the seatbelt buckle on a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. That's it, and thanks for watching.